What is up, Tech Gang? Stefan here from TechRight. Today I'm going to be unboxing the LG Risio 3 from Cricket Wireless. I picked this up from Best Buy for, I believe, $79.99. After tax, obviously, it was a little bit more. It was probably like 84 bucks or something like that. But yeah, today we're going to go ahead and unbox it and see what this has to offer. Stay tuned. Alright guys, first and foremost, let's go ahead and get these specifications out of the way on here. These are pretty much the main specifications of the phone, and I really don't want to go too into detail on this, but it says we have a 4G LTE speed with Android operating system, obviously like we have on every LG device. We have a 5-inch HD display that is going to be 720p by 1280. We also have an 8 megapixel rear and 3 megapixel front facing camera, a 1.4 gigahertz quad core processor, a 2500 milliamp battery, and HD voice as well. And if I'm not mistaken, I'm pretty sure this has Wi-Fi calling on this device as well. Go ahead and open this device now. So obviously we get this little tray every single time from Cricket Wireless's prepaid devices. So we're gonna go ahead and take this top off really quick. And here we have the device. We have that nice blue color on the back of the device. Looks super dope. Let's go and put that aside. So first and foremost, we have the 2500 milliamp battery that I just put in the back of the phone. We have a product safety and warranty guide, as well as a quick start guide. We have our micro USB data cable, and we also have our travel adapter. Alright guys, first and foremost, device is not heavy at all with the battery inside of it. But we're gonna go ahead and take off this screen protector right here. So satisfying every single time. So first of all, we have our headset up there. We also have a proximity light sensor, it looks like, and we have our 3 megapixel camera as well. We also have our 5-inch 720p display, and that seems to be it for the front. As far as the bottom of the device goes, we have our noise canceling mic, we have our micro USB port, and we also have a 3.5 millimeter head jack. Top of the device, we also have another noise canceling mic. Left side of the device, we have our volume up and down rocker, and it is actually spaced this time, which is really nice. Right side of the device, we have this little ridge right here we can go ahead and pull at and open up the back of the device. You guys can go ahead and pop your SIM card and or SD card inside of here. And the back of the device finally honestly looks nice with this blue color. I really do like this blue color. But we have our LG emblem right there. We have a speaker at the back of the device. Hopefully that's not too crappy. But we also have a Cricket emblem right here. We have our power button, our flash, and we have an 8 megapixel camera right above that. But yeah guys, let's go ahead and turn on this phone. Alright guys, so first and foremost, the screen pretty much looks like the same of any other device, say like an LG Aristo 2 or whatever. They look like that, look exactly like that. Honestly, they really haven't done anything different. Maybe a different wallpaper for each different LG device, but this is super outplayed. But honestly, still a solid device. As we go ahead and scroll down right here, if anyone was asking, yes, we do have Wi-Fi calling on this device. So if you guys, were curious about that, we do have Wi-Fi calling. Now, as far as the software version goes, if we go ahead and go to About Phone right here and we go to the software info, you guys can see that we do have Android 7.1.2. So we do not have Android Oreo yet on this device. Hopefully, if you guys do get this device, it does come out soon. But yeah, hopefully we get that 8.0 update. As far as everything else goes, seems pretty nice and fluid, honestly, like any other phone right when you start it up. We also have a pretty decent camera as well with this 8 megapixel camera. Honestly, takes some pretty darn good pictures for such a cheap phone. But yeah, I'll probably go more in depth on this phone in the future, but this phone was, I believe, $79.99 at Best Buy. So if you guys want to go ahead and pick it up, definitely go check it out. If you guys have any questions, please put them in the comments down below. Also, if you did enjoy this video, please leave a like down below, as well as subscribing if you guys are not a part of the Tech Gang already. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. This has been Stefan from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.